Welcome to Two Projects. In this video, we are going to explain the project Online PDF Summary System. Before diving into the execution, let me give you an overview of the project. So this Online PDF Summary and Resume Analysis System is a web application built with Django, designed to simplify tasks like summarizing PDFs, conducting automated resume-based interviews, and checking resumes for spelling and alignment errors. So it uses NLTK for natural language processing, text to speech technology, and automated scoring algorithms to improve user efficiency and accuracy. So this system has three main parts. First one is PDF summary extraction and Q&A. The next one is resume based interview simulation. And then comes resume spell check and alignment analysis. So users can upload a PDF and the system will extract the main content, create a summary and generate questions based on that summary. And in the resume based interview simulation, users upload their resumes and the system asks questions using text to speech. And users type their answers, which are then evaluated and scored with suggestions for improvement. And the spell check and alignment module checks resumes for errors and formatting issues, giving a score and feedback. So this is what we'll be doing in this project. So overall, this system benefits students, researchers, HR professionals, and job seekers by automating key tasks, providing consistent evaluations, supporting user development, and offering an easy to use interface. It significantly enhances the workflow for handling document related tasks. So this is the overview. Now we'll look at the software and hardware requirements to execute this project. Hardware requirements are operating system of Windows, processor of i5 and above, RAM of 4 GB and above, and hard disk of 10 GB and above. And software requirements required are Python IDLE of Python 3.7.0 version and MySQL Workbench. So these are the requirements. So to execute this project, first we need to open the code folder which contains the project's source code files. So this is the code folder and these are the contents I have in the code folder. This is resumes folder in which I have files that will be used during the execution of the project. This is summary folder. Inside this folder are Python code files that are intended to be dynamically loaded into the project during runtime. This is summary app folder. This folder comprises a static folder which contains files related to CSS, JavaScript, and Bootstrap. So these files contribute to the visual and interactive aspects of the application. And it also contains a templates folder. Within this folder, we'll find all the HTML pages used throughout the project. It includes pages like index.html, home.html, and more, representing various sections of the website. And this folder also contains Python code files. So these files consist of Python code that will be executed during the runtime of the application, supporting its functionality. This is DB file. This file contains SQL queries that need to be executed within MySQL Workbench in order to establish the required database structure. This is manage.py file. It is a command line utility that comes with Django. It provides various commands for managing Django projects, including tasks like running the development server, creating database tables, applying migrations, and more. And this is run.bat file. Instead of executing the program through command line interface, we have created Windows batch file to execute the project. So this file provides an alternative way to execute the project. Now double click on the run.bat file so that manage.py file is compiled. So in the command line, we can see after running the manage.py file, the Django framework will host the application locally at the default address localhost and port unless configured differently. So this is the local host and this is the port. Now copy the local link provided by the framework. I'm copying it and paste it into any web browser. I usually prefer Chrome. After pasting it, type index.html at the end and hit the enter button. So the home page of the project has been displayed in the browser. This is the front end built using Django framework. So here we can see user login and new user sign up links. If we are new to the system, we have to register ourselves first. Click on the new user sign up link. So here we have to fill these details. So username would be Ram. Give the password. Give the contact number. Give the email ID. And the address. After filling in these details, click on register button. So here we can see sign up process is completed. Now we can log in. Click on the user login link. Give the credentials of Ram here. So we have registered as Ram. So I'm giving the credentials of Ram here and click on login button. So we have logged in as Ram. Now here we can see PDF summary, upload resume and attend interview, online resume correction and logout links. So first we'll click on the PDF summary link. Here we have to upload a PDF and the application will analyze the PDF and give us the summary of the PDF. So click on the choose file button. From resumes folder, I'm uploading this PDF. Select the PDF and click on open. So the PDF has been loaded. Now click on submit button. It will take some time to load to give us the summary. So this is the summary given by the application. The application has gone through the PDF and it has given us this summary. So this is the summary of the uploaded PDF. And if we scroll down here, we can see the Q&A section. Here, the application has framed few questions taken from the summary. So now we have to answer these questions and click on the submit button. So I'm answering them as true or false. So I have entered my answers. Now click on the submit button. So here we can see your answers are been accepted. So these answers will be stored. So this is the PDF summarization system. Now we'll see the resume based interview simulation. Click on the upload resume and attend interview link. So here we have to upload a resume. The application will go through the resume and it will formulate few interview questions for us. Click on the choose file button. Select the resume and click on open. The file has been loaded. Now click on submit button. So we can see the application has formulated an interview question. So this is the question and these are the options I have, the options given. And we can also listen to the question by clicking on this play button. So we can also listen to the audio of the question. And here we can see the text box where we have to give our answer. I'm giving it as option B and click on submit button. It will redirect us to the next question. So we can see this is the second question. These are the options given. And if we want to listen to the question, we can click on the play button. It will play the question. That is, we can listen to the audio of the question. And here we have to give our answer. I'm giving it as C. Click on submit button. So we can see it has redirected us to the third question. We can listen to the question and I'm answering this question as option A and click on submit button. So all these answers will be stored. I'm answering this question as option B. We can see the question, and if we want to listen to the question, we can do that by clicking on this play button. This is the fifth question. I have answered it. I'm clicking on the submit button. This is the sixth question. So we can see the question and we can listen to the question. And here in the text box where we have to give our answers. Now click on the submit button. So here we can see the score secured for the given answers. And below the score, we can see the suggestions, what skills we have to improve. So the application is telling me to improve C skills and the CPP skills. So these are the areas which I have to improve. So in this way, we have to upload our resume. The application will formulate questions according to the resume, and we can view the questions. We can also listen to the questions. Few people who cannot see the questions can listen to the questions and can give the answers. Now we'll click on the online resume correction link. Here we have to upload a resume again, and the application will check for spelling and alignment mistakes, and it will give us the score of the resume. Click on choose file button. I'm uploading this resume. Click on open. The file has been loaded. Now click on submit button. So here we can see your resume score is 100%. So after checking all the spelling and alignments, the application has given us the score that is 100%. So there are no spelling and alignment mistakes. We'll try uploading another resume. Click on the online resume correction link. Click on choose file. I'm selecting the second resume and click on open. The file has been loaded. Now click on submit button. So this time the score is 96%. So we can see we have to do some corrections in our resume. We have to check the spelling and alignment mistakes to get the 100% score. So in this way, we have to upload the resume. The application will check for spelling and alignment mistakes, and it will score our resume. Now click on logout link. So this online PDF summary and resume analysis system built with Django and leveraging NLTK enhances efficiency and accuracy in document handling. By automating PDF summarization, resume based interview, and resume evaluations, it benefits students, researchers, HR professionals, and job seekers, providing consistent feedback and improving workflow for document related tasks.
Thank you for watching video. For more projects, please visit our website www.trueprojects.in. For updates on latest project videos, please visit True Projects YouTube channel and subscribe.